Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in the heart of Kileleshwa and we are exactly 5 minutes from Valley Arcade and exactly 5 minutes from Quickmart Kileleshwa. This is a development in the locality that comprises of 1 bedroom all the way to 4 bedroom. At the entrance of each floor, you have a small lounge for you and your floor mates. Today, we are going to show you the 3-bedroom homes and the 1-bedroom apartments. The 2 BRs are just a replica of the 3 BR, but without 1 bedroom. Let's get going. Before you get to your beautiful unit, at the entrance of your unit, you have this artificial greenery that improves the look. And at the entrance of the unit, you have an SQ. Let's get inside and I'll give you the specs of all the units in this development. From there, you can agree with me that these units are very beautiful. Let's go through the specs. As I said, this development has 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms. The smallest 1-bedroom apartment has a plinth area of 50 square meters. The smallest 2-bedroom apartment has a plinth area of 125 square meters. The smallest 3BR has a plinth area of 202 square meters. And the 4BR starts from 338 square meters. And the prices are as follows. The 1-bedrooms start from 6.5 million. The 2-bedroom are starting from 12 million. The 3-bedrooms are starting from 19.5 million. And the 4-bedrooms are going for 34.5 million Kenya shillings. Let's go back to the entrance of the unit and you'll join me as I take you around this home. From the main entrance, you are getting this door that comes with a smart lock, and I like it because the security has been one of the factors that the developer focused on. Just look at this door. Do you see the type of the lock that we have? Opposite the front door, you have this cabinetry that has been modified to make sure that your shoes are in order. Here we are at the dining area of this unit, and as you can see right now, it is a 4-seater dining set. But you have a massive space on this side and on the other side to make sure that this space is sufficient for a 6-seater or an 8-seater dining set. That is if you have a big family. I like it that the home has a sufficient space for a double door, and on my far front you have the kitchen of this unit. As you can see, the cabinetry has been done very well, and the home comes with an electric cooktop with 4 gas burners. Below it you have your oven, and above it you have your heat extractor. The sink area is on the far end. I like it that it is a double sink and it comes with a tilting faucet. Just listen to the quality of that faucet. Beautiful, right? You have this space where you can store your recipe books just in case you don't want to cook mashakura. On the opposite side, you have the living room of this unit, and this space will be sufficient for a normal nuclear family. As you can see, the space is big enough to fit a 7-seater to a 9-seater couch. The units have been done very well, and I like the combination of indoor-outdoor environment. The window of this living room is edge to edge, and also it acts as the access to the main balcony. I like it that the focal point of this unit has been modified to make sure that it will be big enough to fit a 75-inch TV. On my left hand side, you have the children wing, and this is where you have the 2 kids bedroom. On my right hand side, you have the parents wing, and that's where we have the primary bedroom. But before we see all that, let's see the balcony of this living room. As you can see, the balcony is very beautiful. I hate the noise because the foodies are still working on this project, but make sure you have a look at the views that you are getting from this locality. They are very fulfilling. This balcony extends on my far front to join the boys' balcony. I'll take you back inside. If you are a very keen person, you'll note that the lighting on these units has been done very well. First, you are getting a fixed chandelier for your center light. On the rest of the gypsum ceiling, you have some recessed lights, add some mood lights. First, I'll take you to the primary bedroom, and later we will see the kids' bedrooms. Before we get to the primary bedroom, you have a common washroom. Let's show them. The common washroom is very well done. It comes with a vanity, a WC, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. I like it that it comes with a double towel holder. Wow. If you fancy having a very good relationship, a good primary bedroom is one of the factors, and its size matters. That will be confirmed by our ladies. As you can see, the space has been done very well. The space is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed like this one or a bigger bed, and I like it that you have some spaces here for your side drawers. The modification of the headboard area improves the aesthetics of this room. On the other side of this bedroom, you have your small TV area, and this space can be modified to get your bedroom couch. This space comes with a dresser, and now let's get to the main question. What's the difference between a closet and a wardrobe? I'll tell you the difference today. Whatever you think is a closet is a wardrobe, and whatever you think is a wardrobe is a closet. Simply, the difference is the same. You are welcome and your apologies are not accepted. On my far front, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. And it comes with a vanity, a WC, and a slightly bigger shower cubicle. Before I take you to the kids' bedrooms, I'll show you the balcony of this bedroom. As you can see, the balcony is more than standard, and it will give an ample resting space to you and your partner. I'll take you back inside. The kids' bedrooms are here. This is the boys' bedroom, and this is the girls' bedroom. Naturally, we should start with the girls' bedroom because ladies first. But as the saying goes, ladies first, men before. We start with the boys' bedroom. At the entrance of the boys' bedroom, you have the boys' bathroom. And it comes with a vanity setup, a WC, a shower cubicle, a towel holder, and a mirror. And it's written here, do not scratch the stickers. That is for the some of you who can't stop destroying things. As you can see, the boys' bedroom is massive. It gets a ton of natural light from this massive window, and the window also acts as the access to the boys' balcony. The balcony is just similar to the ones that I showed you earlier, but as I mentioned, this balcony connects back to the main balcony in the living room. On the other side of the boys' bedroom, you have the boys' closet, and it has been done very well, and this is the same concept that has been used in all the closets of these homes. As you can see, the bedroom will be big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one. Spaces for your side drawers are here, and from here I take you directly to the girls' bedroom. After we see the girls' bedroom, I'll show you the one-bedroom apartments just to give you a brief overview of how the two units compare. This room has been customized and modified to fit some of the girls' preferences, but this room can also be used for the small kids. The other bedroom can be used for the boys or the bigger kids, because anyway, in some families, there is only one gender of children. The closet has adopted a similar concept to the ones that we saw before, and from here I take you directly to the one bedroom, and I'm very sure you are following. Let's see how the one-bedroom apartments will look like. At the entrance of each one bedroom, you have this cabinetry for your shoes. On the opposite side, you have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Just get in. On my far front, you have a small dining area, and this is only enough for you and your friend. Behind me, you have the kitchen of this one bedroom, and I like it that it have a sizable space for your double door. The kitchen comes with a cooktop and a hob, and on the opposite side, you are getting a double sink. The cabinetry has been done very well, and I like it that the home flows very well from the kitchen to the dining area and then to the living room. As you can see, the living room will be sufficient for you and your roommate or you alone, and this is where you'll do your TV. It is very encouraging when you see a developer who doesn't compromise when doing the small units. Because as you saw earlier, the 3-bedroom has been done very well, but when it comes to the 1-bedroom, the same quality has been adhered to. On my far front, you have the window to this 1-bedroom apartment, and this window also acts as the access to the balcony. I like it that the concept of joining the main balcony to the balcony of the bedroom is making the balcony look slightly bigger than normal. From there, you can see that the same views are very evident, and this area is very, very beautiful. I'll take you back inside. Straight from the balcony, let's see the bathroom, and later we will see the bedroom. The bathroom comes with a vanity setup, a WC, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. I like it that the bathroom comes with a heated mirror and a vent up there to collect all the steam after showering. I'll take you to the bedroom. From the bathroom, I like it that you are getting your closets on both sides of the bedroom. And the bedroom space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like the one that we have, and you have 2 spaces for your side drawers. On my far front, you have the access to the balcony. And as I said earlier, that balcony is connecting to the other balcony in the living room. That's all for this 1-bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. One thing that I like about this developer is that they cater for every buyer. So if you want a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or a 4-bedroom, this is the home that you should take. Anyway, our contacts are attached in the first comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.